Hello Angel Travelites. This is a step-by-step video on how to apply for the Ghana ETA. You first of all register on the website, which is evisa.immigration.government.ghana. You register with your name, your email address. After the registration, it will take you to your email for verification. Type in your email, your name and your password to create an account. This will take you to your email for verification. After verification, it will take you to your dashboard. Click on apply and start applying for your visa. Write your name, your surname, your given name. Select the gender, the nationality, the country of residence, your phone number. Type in your phone number. Type in your phone number and type in your email address. Cross-check it to know if it's correct before you click on continue. Then to the next page, you type in your passport information. That is your passport number first. Then select your country of issue. Then the date the passport was issued. Then the expiring date of the passport. Then you upload your passport data page. After uploading, click on continue to the next page. Select the purpose of visit. Then select the city of departure, which is Lagos. Then you type in the airline you are coming with. Then you type in the airline number. Scroll down, type in your intended date of arrival. And then the point of entry. Scroll down, select your accommodation, type in the hotel name. After typing the hotel name, you type in the hotel address. Then you type in, the next is type in your duration, how long you're going to spend in Ghana, whether 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, 1 month. You type it in, then you click on continue. Consent on receiving the yellow card upon arrival. Scroll down, answer the questions and scroll down. Click on I have read and agree with the terms and conditions. Click on continue. Cross-check your information. Cross-check everything, your name, your passport number, your date of arrival and everything. Then you click and submit application. Then this is how your ETA will look like. Then you click on download. Download is on the upper left side. Click on download to get your ETA on your email. This is how your ETA is going to look like after the whole process. Thanks for watching.